Welcome back. Now I'll show you guys how to modify the styling or CSS of an element and also how to delete those elements from the DOM. Okay, let's take a look here. I want to select this H1 with the class math and I want to change it from from black to red color. How can we do that? Well, first let's select that element. You see that I did .math instead of just doing H1. Why is that? Well, let's take a look. In your HTML, right? In the future, you might come back to this project and modify it. What if you add another H1? Well, then that's gonna mess this up, right? Because if it's only selecting the first H1, then it's going to be selecting the wrong one. So remember, when you're selecting elements, always try your best to select by class or ID. We want to be as specific as possible. Okay, so let me save this. Let me delete that. Okay, so once you select that, you can access the styling by using .style. .style, oh no, IntelliSense. .style.color is equal to red. That changes it to red. You do it more than once too. Let me copy this. .style.border is 10px solid. Let's do green. Cool. Now, what about this? .style.border radius is equal to 50%. Huh. Why is it not working and everything else got deleted? Well, that's because in JavaScript, you can't use the dash. So if you're using CSS properties with more than one word, you have to erase the dash and you have to do camel casing, which means capitalizing the second word. Border radius like this. And now it works. Okay. Same thing with something like background color. Okay. So I'll take this away for now. And we have that. Cool. Now, I want to delete this element because it looks ugly. How do I do that? That's actually really simple. My h1.remove. And remove is a method, so you have to call it like this. Okay. And that actually removes it from the DOM itself. Okay. Let's open this up. Let's take a look at elements. We actually don't even see math anymore. Okay. So this is different than doing the CSS.hidden, right? Display none. Display none still has it in the DOM, but it's just not shown, right? If you use delete or .remove in the JavaScript, it actually removes the whole element from the DOM. Okay, let's move on.